Let me show off one of my beautiful little friends here. This is the REYGEAK neck mount. I do a good bit of reviews. I do some different vlogging, and my kids do as well. And this is something that was gifted to me, and I've never gone back from it. It's absolutely essential if you're doing anything with videos. It's going to stabilize any shots that you take, and it's going to allow you to use your hands. This right here is magnetic, so it does come with a magnetic strip that will attach to this, but my iPhone goes directly on it. So right now it's actually connected, and I'm moving it around. I'm going to disconnect it, and we're back to normal. This is nice and flexy. It's kind of like a Stretch Armstrong type material. It's firm enough that it's going to be able to hold. If you had a big neck, you can stretch it out wide. And then I wish I had another one of these to use, because it's going to be hard to do this hands-free. But there's a little release button right there, and then just comes off like that. And you put it around your neck, and you put it back. So pretty awesome. Love this thing. It gets used 4 or 5 times a day. And if you are taking a vacation and wanting to shoot some selfies or shoot some pictures and have it stabilized, this is like as professional as they come, but easy to get right on Amazon. So love it. I hope that review helps.